southwestern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, north central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Springtown, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Another 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Damaged roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Factors include Easton, Bethlehem, Fort, Alpha, Glen Gardner, Glendale, Anthony, West Houston, Milford, Canopy, Bloomsbury, Reedville, Glendale, Springtown, and Old Orchard. This includes the following: 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 65 and 76. Between mile markers 0 and 12. The tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the north floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties.